Hello viewers, the topic for today's discussion is in relation to Income Tax Act. The topic is about Form 15CA and 15CB. So now there is some extension, some benefit given in it. Okay, I've divided this topic into three parts. First, what are the documents required when you do remittance outside India? Part 2, what are the glitches going on in the new income tax portal? And part 3, some benefit is given till 15th of August. Let us see this. Remittance outside India. Part 1. Say I'm an assessee, a taxpayer. I want to remit my funds outside India to any NRI, USA, UK, any person. Okay, I am required to file two forms. First, Form 15CA. This is to be digitally signed by the taxpayer himself or by assessing. And I also need Form 15CB. Now, this form is to be certified, digitally signed by a chartered accountant, practicing chartered accountant, certifying that whatever I am remitting, whether it is correct or not. Okay, let's see. Both the forms you are required to upload on the income tax portal. Then only you can do remittance outside India. See this. This is your new income tax portal. In here, when you log in, you have to go to file income tax form and then person not dependent. There you will find form 15CA. So here you need to open this form 15CA and then you need to online or offline submit this form 15CA. Correct? Now, have you used income tax portal, the new income tax portal? There are many glitches going on. Currently, many difficulties are going on. We are unable to prepare and upload Form 15 CACB. Taxpayers are frustrated. How will they do remittance outside India? It is not possible because of the portal. That's why CBDT, they have given certain relaxation in filing 15 CACB. What is the relaxation? Now, taxpayer may submit such form manually. Instead of going through this income tax portal, which is not working, you can manually file form 15 CACB up to which date, sir? 15th of August 2021. Hopefully by then portal will improve. So taxpayer can now go to the bank or to the authorized dealer and they can physically submit the document instead of this online form. But wait, the new income tax portal, they shall provide facility at a later date. So taxpayer who have manually submitted 15 CACB, at a later date, they shall be required to upload this form on the portal for the generation of DIN. Okay, so it is not that you have to do only manually. At a later date, the portal will provide the facility. How it will provide? Obviously, I will update you. So this was an important update for today's topic. Thank you so much, each and everyone. Stay tuned for more such update in relation to GST, customs and income tax act. Goodbye.